Congratulations, Mirian and Lee. It's great to have you here today, and thank you for agreeing to give a video testimonial. This is always of great help to us. It helps us attract more customers and it keeps us in business. So thank you very much for that. I would be asking you a few questions about the experience that you had with us at Stepwise, starting from the start, from the beginning, and some questions which might be of help for future customers to make decisions whether they should go here or not, right? The first question that comes to you is, I know that we did a common law partner sponsorship application. So in this application, when you were to start this application, what were the fears and doubts that you had in your mind before you came to us?
Well, the fears that I had is because I am an Ecuadorian girl from South America, and this was the first time you were working with someone from that part of the world, I say. So that is only the one thing that I was afraid of, but all the things goes very good for us.
Thank you for sharing this, Mirian. I understand it is always very difficult to work with people from different communities, and you're not sure whether or not that person knows about the basic culture, background, and what kind of documents would be required from there, right? I think that was the fear, and it's a genuine fear that anybody would have, right? So what made you finally decide that why should we go here at Stepwise?
Well, you would think that I am crazy, but we went on the red light, and I told my hubby, says, let's go there because I like the red immigration letters on there.
The signage, the signage which was there was very attractive. Oh my God, thank you.
And then we did that, and when we came here, the people were so nice with us, so we be welcome here. So we were happy to be here.
Excellent. Thank you very much. So yeah, that's great. So thank you very much for coming in, and thanks to the signage that is there outside to bring you in. Such a wonderful set of, I would say, not customers now, I would say friends now, right? So thank you very much for being here. Okay. So when you came in, so you had some discussions, you talked to us, and we gave you a pricing for the service that we provide. So how did you finally decide on whether or not you should go ahead with us for this service?
Oh, I will put my hubby to say that.
Everything was timing. We were talking about looking for help because I'm not computer savvy. And like she said, we happened to be driving by your place when there was a red light, and there you were, and the signage was right. And so we came inside. I think we made an appointment first.
Yeah.
And again, you guys were very accommodating, you gave us a calming effect. We felt confident in what you had to say, and your pricing was certainly right in line with anybody else. But the most important part is we felt confident that you were going to be able to do what needed to be done.
Thank you for the trust. I really appreciate that, and so that made you come. So how was your experience afterwards? So once you signed up with us, then is the time when you fulfill the service, right? That's when you actually deliver the service.
Right.
So how was your experience after that, after signing up with us?
Well, first of all, we were relieved that we had signed a contract and we're ready to do it. And for me anyway, still frustrating because there is an awful lot of paperwork.
Yeah.
And when you look on the Canadian website, yeah, they tell you everything that you need to do, but my understanding is not always what they were trying to portray, but you guys were always able to say, no, this is what we need, and clarify everything. And we were able to gather all the information, and you guys put it in the package that they like to look at.
That they like to look at,
and,
yeah.
And that's why we're here today with the signed PR.
With the COPR. Here you go. And, I think I would like to know, was this process pretty smooth for you, or were there any hiccups that you found in between, so that we can improve upon that just in case there was any hiccup?
If there was any hiccups, it wasn't through your part. It would either be the government part or us looking for and acquiring the documentation.
The documentation and all. Yeah. So was the team very supportive? Were explaining you properly at all times?
You guys were wonderful. Absolutely. Yeah.
Yes, you are.
Absolutely.
Thank you. I also need to listen. So that's the reason I do these shoots and video testimonials. This also gives us an opportunity to improve upon. If there are any such such situations which we can improve upon our service, we always ask that as well. So thank you very much for your feedback, and we're really happy today to see you now a permanent resident, and and now you can freely keep coming in or going out once you get the PR cards.
See, there was another thing. When I read it, it said we've got the paper, we can go to the States.
Yeah.
But no, we can't. Not until that actual card
I
comes
know.
in the mail.
So sometimes I see immigration applications and immigration laws can be tricky. So you have to go in details, and that's why people choose consultants, and that's what we do. Anybody can do the application themselves as well, but we make it a lot easier. One, that what products, what documents, etc. are required, make it easy for them, and secondly, we try to make it as smooth as possible for our customers and make sure that it does not come back as a package, and it comes back with the positive, approvals and all that stuff.
Came back beautiful. Yeah. Absolutely.
Thank you so much, and thanks for coming in today, and have a great life ahead.
Thank you so much.